Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a very, very exciting unboxing. I am super pumped for this, what's in here, what's in this box. So I sold, like I told you in the last video, I sold my Pochette Métis and I sold my Prada Re-edition in addition to some other things like Coach bags. And I did that because I wanted to buy this necklace, which is by Roberto coin, and I got it from Bloomingdale's. I can link it in the box. I linked it in the last video as well. You can get some great gift card rewards, plus you can use a coupon on it. So win-win, right? But anyway, I used those two sales plus some Coach sales, and I can't remember if I sold any other brands. I was selling like a mad woman for a while there. You guys may have noticed on my community page all of the posts. And so I got this bag and this necklace. So let's get into the box because I'm dying to see what's in there. And I don't know if you can tell, but it says on the outside P Stores. I wonder what P Stores stands for. I don't know. I'm gonna have to put my glasses on because the seams of this box, they're all taped, and I'm not sure which part is the entry point for the box. So I've got to figure that out. It's sort of confusing. Ow! Oh, I just wounded myself with my ceramic knife. Man, oh, I'm gonna bleed. I can't get blood on my bag. Gosh, they really taped this up good. Oh, shoot, that hurts. Maybe I'm not going to bleed. Not very much, anyway. Thank goodness. Oh, I found the entry point. Yay. Okay, so they taped the corners so well you can't see which one's the way in. Oh, well, if I would have been paying attention, I would have seen that there's like a pull tab that you can rip. I'm not very good at ripping the pull tabs, so I'm going to do a little bit of cutting of the pull tabs. Hopefully it'll work out for me. I don't know. This is tough. They don't want me to get in the box. Let's see. Okay. I got the pull tab open, guys. Now, can I easily pull open the box? So P Stores, they did a good job of packaging this up. It doesn't want to come out. My goodness. All right, we got to that point. So you guys know this is a true unboxing because I'm really struggling. So inside of this box, there is another box. A box within a box. It's like a Russian nesting doll. Oh my goodness, guys, this is tough. Okay, so you see, it says Prada on the lining. Now, the Prada bags that I've seen, they all have this sort of woven into the nylon on the inside of the bag. So I've got my receipt here. I'm gonna just set that to the side. I think now I can see well enough without my glasses to open the box. Oh, guys, I'm so freaking excited. It took me 4 minutes to get the box tape taken off and to pull the tab open. I mean, it was tough. All right, so this box came all the way from Aventura, Florida. There's a Bloomingdale's down there with a Prada in it, and I think it might be the only Prada Bloomingdale's in the country. There used to be one in New York, but I think it's closed, and also I think there used to be one at the Mall of America, which I think may have closed. There may be others, but I couldn't find any. And the reason why I like to buy from Bloomingdale's is because of their great rewards program and also because of the no tax situation for me. And I know you guys probably hate hearing that because not many states have no tax with Bloomingdale's, but that's huge when you're buying a luxury bag like a Prada. So here we go. I'm like literally, my heart is beating out of my chest right now. I am so excited. So I wore the color that I have on purpose. I did not wear rose gold jewelry except for my ring has a little bit of rose gold accents. This ring, by the way, is by a company called Rego Designs, and I love their jewelry. So is this one. This one's Rego Designs as well. They have beautiful jewelry. If anybody's interested in knowing where I got them, please send me a message on Instagram. I can post the information. It's not like an online order thing you'd have to call. So I saw inside the dust bag. Oh my gosh. I am going to have to put my glasses on to look. It is so pretty. Look, it's almost the same color as my shirt. It's a little bit less, it's a little tiny bit less pink than I thought, but just for reference, you can see my rose gold jewelry. It really, and you can see also this sweater is a very rosy tone. So it's a cross between a taupe and like, it's like a cross between a taupe and a blush. And it is gorgeous. I mean, just absolutely stunning. Now, this is a Prada Re-edition, which means it has a detachable strap. And I'm gonna just examine it, make sure everything is okay. This one was still wrapped up whenever I got it. And so it should be pretty well perfect because it wasn't handled at all. Okay, so one thing that I wanna tell you about Prada bags is that these Re-edition bags, particularly the nylon ones, have been highly, highly counterfeited. And so you want to keep that in mind if you're buying one on the resale market. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. And even if it doesn't seem too good to be true, it still could be a replica. I was going to buy one that I found, and I sent the pictures to the authentication company, and they refused to authenticate. They said there are too many replicas and they just can't tell the difference anymore. And I don't want to pay a lot of money for one of these bags and have it be a replica. So you can see the strap that comes with it is sort of a tan, nude, beige sort of color. I would say probably I would call it sand. The bag itself is cameo beige. And when I say sand, I'm just using that as a descriptive term. I don't think that's Prada's terminology, at least not that I'm aware of. But let me go ahead and pop on the strap. I'm literally just quivering with excitement right now. This is really cool. They hooked the chain in a little tiny Prada dust bag to one of the D-rings on the bag. So I got 2 dust bags instead of 1. And unlike my gray one, I think the chain on this one is a fair amount shinier. And I've tried to kind of freshen up my gray one's chain, but I haven't really been that successful at shining it up or getting off tarnish or anything. But that chain is just stunning on the bag. So now I've got her pretty well emptied out. Inside I have the authentication card. They send you this. It's got numbers on the back as well as the style and the date of the sale. And I don't want to show you the other side just because I don't want to make it easier for counterfeiters. And then they also send you some other information. This is a little card. It says Prada. This authentic Prada product certificate has been uploaded on Aura Blockchain Consortium's platform to record and guarantee its integrity. I've never heard of that, so this may be a way that they are. And then let's see what else. There's like all these things. I think this is just maybe a care card or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to find a way to keep all this together. All this is in a different language, but I don't want to throw any of it away. So I've tucked the receipt inside there, and I'm just going to keep all the papers together. So the inside of these bags have no pockets at all, but I have an organizer to put inside. This organizer I got a while back from SUNY Bag & Bag, and SUNY Bag & Bag, I like their organizers. I like that it has pockets. For me, a Re-edition needs pockets because I like to eliminate the card cases so that I have more room so I can put my phone in and all my other stuff, because I can fit everything in this bag if I do not take my card cases with me. And I have 4 pockets on this insert. Again, it's gray. It would be better if it was a different color, but it's not, so that's fine. And I also have a little one for the pouch. I think UPS must be here. I'm gonna have some more stuff to show you guys from my sales proceeds. Anyway, so there's a little insert for the pouch as well. I do not use the pouches. I didn't use it on my nylon one. I don't use it on my gray Ardesia one. And I'm probably not going to use it on this one either. But it is cool how they attach to the strap. There's a little snap on the back side. So you could probably clip this to a belt too, but then you'd have this thing dangling, so maybe not. But there is the bag. She's all dressed up. She is fabulous. I'm going to try it on. Now, I'm wearing black lounge pants because I wasn't going to try it on. And I like black lounge pants, but just disregard my appearance. I put on a sweater for you. Come on, guys, give me a break. So typically, I don't like having this on my chest, but for some reason, in this color, it's not quite as offensive. That's why I just usually keep these in my cabinet and I wear the bag without them. So this is typically how I would wear it. And you can lengthen the strap a little more. That's about perfect. There's many different lengths you can wear this bag. It can be worn a little shorter or a little longer. The fact that it's curved makes it very comfortable either way, but I love it. I wonder if you could wear it as a shoulder bag, like if you could really, really shorten it up. I haven't done that before, but it might be a nice way to wear it. By the way, the strap on these, it comes in different configurations. Mine has the Prada written on the back side, and I think it used to also have it on this side, but when they added this part here, they got rid of it on the front. But that's actually super comfortable. I've never worn it as a shoulder bag, but that's cute too. So this is my brand new Prada Re-edition. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I know I have. I am really excited about this bag. I took my gray one with me on my Dallas shopping trips, and it was fantastic. And I am very, very excited to have a new color. And whenever eventually these straps go out of style, I like that they are detachable and I could put a longer chain strap with this, and I have with the gray one, but since the web straps are so in style right now, I'm going to use the web straps because they're so, so comfortable. But anyway, that's my new Prada bag. Oh my gosh, guys, I freaking love it. Look at how gorgeous that is. Look at how gorgeous they both are. And originally I got this one because I felt like it was so neutral. And then I was worried if I got this one too, it'd be like I had two of the same bag, but I really think that you can spice up outfits in a completely different way with these two bags. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @, then the handbag housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.